What are the differences between activity-based costing and traditional costing for overhead computation? So in activity-based costing, which is also known as ABC, the overhead is allocated to activities. Second, no reapportionment is needed. Third, the AOR is also known as the cost driver rate and is calculated for each cost pool. Other than that, it is also suitable for businesses with high competition and diverse products. Lastly, ABC is considered more accurate absorption due to the cost-effect relationship. While traditional cost, the overhead is allocated to departments. Second, reapportionment is necessary from service department to production departments. Thirdly, AOR is based on several common bases such as machine hours or direct labor hours. Next, it is suitable for businesses with low competition and standardized products. Finally, it is said to be less accurate in overhead absorption.
Importance in cost driver. Cost driver is an essential source for allocating the cost of the product based on the activities performed to produce that product, which helps in finding the total cost of the product. It improves the relationship between the departments as there are many common activities and processes which are performed in various departments. These are an advantage for a product as they bring out the actual cost incurred on the products based on the correct allocation of the processes or activities.
Hi, so here is the part where I explain advantages of activity-based costing. There are 3 advantages of activity-based costing that I will explain. The first one is activity-based costing considered more accurate for absorbing overhead, and it can allocate manufacturing overhead more detailed to the products and processes that use the activity, because the activity-based costing apply multiple cost drivers. Then the second one is activity-based costing provides realistic and accurate cost of manufacturing for specific products. The reason why this happens is activity-based system manufacturing a large number of different products. Then the last one is activity-based costing identifies inefficient process and target for improvements to make sure it is become easier to identify areas where expenses are being wasted on unprofitable products. So that's all the explanation of advantages activity-based costing from me.
Next, let's look at the disadvantages of activity-based costing. The first disadvantage is it can be complex and costly to implement and maintain. This is because activity-based costing requires identifying and measuring the activities and cost drivers that consume resources, collecting and analyzing data on the usage of those resources by the products or services. And lastly, it has some limitations and assumptions that need to be recognized and acknowledged. Activity-based costing is not a perfect or comprehensive method of cost classification, as it may not capture all the costs or activities that are relevant or important for the organization.